This illustration deals with attachment fittings or attachment fitting. NEC Article 100 defines it. The problem here with attachment fittings, some folks thought in our industry that wiring something in permanently with conductors and so forth was the same as attachment fitting. And this was giving inspectors and electricians problems. So the purpose of change is a new definition has been added to address the requirements of attachment fitting. This term is used, in other articles such as Section 314.27E, 422.18, and 422.33. So this term needed to be defined so that the authority having jurisdiction as well as electricians understood what an attachment fitting is. And if reviewing the illustration up in the left-hand corner there, then this is equipment that is attached type equipment with fittings. And notice that you see there the yoke, the fitting, and then you see the quick release male attachment fitting with its electrical rings there. And then naturally the female is to the left and the male is to the right attachment fitting. So notice you could just insert these, and you could also remove them, and it's easily done without dealing with the wiring. But now is a big reminder here, the ones you see to the right that are cord and plug connected, these are not considered attachment fittings as attachment fitting is defined in Article 100, and the informational note points it out very clearly. Now, let's review Note 1. 150 volt to ground, single-phase receptacles, connectors, and similar devices equipped with an equipment grounding conductor and rated at 50 amps or less to ground are included. Let's look at Note 2. For attachment fitting, review the informational note very carefully in Article 100 and the new definition of such attachment fitting that's defined in Article 100, and notice the informational note applies to those cord and plug connected types of equipment that I kind of told you to look at as a reminder.